In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can use ESPN without a TV provider. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at various alternatives. So let's get started with the first one, which is ESPN Plus. ESPN Plus. So standalone subscription. This is the most direct way to watch ESPN without a TV provider. ESPN Plus offers a wide range of sports content, including live games, replays, original shows, and analysis. Then we have bundle deals. You might find ESPN Plus bundled with other streaming services like Disney Plus and Hulu, offering a cost-effective option. Then we have Hulu with live TV. Hulu with live TV. So, Hulu's live TV package includes ESPN and other popular sports channels. This option provides a comprehensive viewing experience with both live and on-demand content. Then we have Fubo TV. Fubo TV. So, Fubo TV is a streaming service designed specifically for sport fans. It offers various sport channels, including ESPN, making it a great choice for those who prioritize sports content. Then we have YouTube TV. Oh, I messed up the spellings there. Oh, you here. All right. So, YouTube TV provides a line TV streaming service with a variety of channels, including ESPN. It's a popular option for those looking for a cable-like experience without a physical cable. And then we have other streaming services. So, other streaming services. So, check local providers. Some local streaming services or internet providers may offer ESPN as part of their package. And then the next option is antenna. If you have a good antenna, you might be able to receive local broadcasts of ESPN. However, this depends on your location and the availability of local channels. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.